Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a Christmas shop with me, and I'm heading to At Home as well as Hobby Lobby. I seriously love At Home for Christmas decor. They just have so much stuff and so much choice and a lot of different color schemes, especially if you're looking for something a little different. They have a ton of selection of Christmas trees, as well as baubles and other Christmas ornaments and decor. One thing I will say is they don't often have coupons, so that is something to keep in mind. Every now and then they do send out like a 10% off or a 30% off one item, but otherwise you're probably going to pay full price here. But for me, it's worth it because I love their selection and the quality is pretty good. They also have a lot of ribbon options for all you DIYers out there. And I also have to share with you that this was Chloe's first time sitting up like a big girl in the shopping cart, and I just had to share the cuteness with you because I think it's pretty dang adorable. Here are a few of their tree skirt options, as well as they have a pretty good selection of signs. There were some really pretty ones, and actually I was quite tempted to pick one up, but I decided to see what I can DIY this year. I also did get a bunch of ideas for DIYs while I was looking around, things I didn't buy but I thought I could probably recreate, so keep an eye out for those coming over the next couple of months. Also, if you're interested in seeing a haul of exactly what I picked up while I was on this shopping trip, let me know in the comments down below and I would be happy to share that one with you. This year I'm going for a sort of muted green, sage green, and copper and gold tones for my Christmas decor. It's something quite new for me because we usually go very traditional red, green, and gold and silver in our house, so this is going to be something new and I'm really excited to share it with you. I also loved this snow globe. I had to pick it up for my daughter's room. They also have a really great selection of Santas and angels if that's your thing. I personally love them, so I was loving all of the options they had. I can also really see a few key trends coming out in all of the decor I saw on this shopping trip this year. So I will be sharing a Christmas trends video with you as well, so you can see some of the popular looks that are going to be coming out this year. They have a great selection of cushions as well at Home. I didn't pick any of them up because most of them had red in them, but something for you to check out if you're using red in your decor this year. Once we checked out at Home, I did get quite a bit. We headed over to Hobby Lobby to see what they had. All of their Christmas decor was actually 50% off, which was a great surprise. I suspect this is because I was shopping for Christmas decor before Halloween, so that is something to keep in mind. I know it's early to think about it, but it's definitely a good option if you're looking for some bargains. I did find some really cute pieces for my hot cocoa bar this year, which I love to put together at Christmas, so keep an eye out for that coming soon as well. Hobby Lobby also had a great selection of baubles and other Christmas ornaments, again all 50% off, so a really good time to shop for Christmas decor if you're in the market for some new pieces for your home this year. I also loved their selection of glass baubles actually. We do still use them despite the fact that we have a baby. I just put them right at the top of the tree. I also really liked their selection of greenery and wreaths and garlands. I thought there's some really pretty options here as long as you had a coupon or they're on sale. Otherwise they are kind of expensive. So that is pretty much the shop with me all done. If you're interested in seeing a whole video of everything I picked up, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I would be happy to film it for you. If you enjoyed the video today, I would love if you could give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!